When I got my first credit card bonus back in 2019, I did not know you could earn that many points for such a little amount of work. While I only earned $600 after redeeming my 60,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points for cash back, I realized maybe I can do it again, but do it differently this time. Since I travel pretty frequently anyway, I wanted to find the best bonuses that would gain me the most amount of points, build a credit card empire to redeem these points, and get the most value for any of these trips that I'm gonna take, essentially traveling for free. Hi guys, my name is Jake, and I'm on a mission to earn 250,000 points this year. And I'm gonna do it by doing these 4 credit card sign-up bonuses that I'll get to in just a second. So I'm starting off with only 60,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points, and let me tell you, it's not that many points, guys. I've only been using a few credit cards for the last 3 years, and building these points takes a lot of time without getting bonuses. I plan on earning Capital One miles, Chase Ultimate Rewards points, and Amex membership rewards points. If I evaluate these points at their respective cent per point value, I'm gonna be getting 15 to 20% return on spend. That's pretty good. And it's not like I'm spending on crazy stuff. This is just gonna be normal stuff like groceries, restaurants, and other stuff like that. So if you're gonna participate in earning all these points, you need to understand a few things. 1, don't hoard credit card points. They're gonna devaluate and you're gonna lose a lot of value, making it not as worth it if you were to just use cash anyway. The second reason I'm not hoarding these points is from inflation, guys. Eventually these points are gonna start to become less and less because inflation is just gonna keep happening. Let's talk about the first card bonus. 75,000 Capital One miles, all from the Venture X. Oh, the Venture X, what a great card. Everyone's talking about it, I love it. I've already talked about it in so many videos. I'm getting that bonus of 75,000 miles. So I got the 75,000 mile bonus already. Now it's time to think about how I'm gonna use these points. I wanna try some crazy redemption, maybe through Air Canada or one of their programs, because the Venture X has epic programs that you can transfer miles to through Air Canada. You don't have to go to Canada, guys. You can use these to fly around the world into some crazy locations. If you guys have any idea, any good redemptions with Capital One miles, let me know in the comments below because I am looking for a trip to take. I'm talking like Japan, the Maldives, Singapore, something crazy. I think that would be a lot of fun. Since my Chase 524 status is only at 324, I'm going to continue to apply for credit cards, leading me to the next one here. So as of now, I'm still working on that Chase Inc. Unlimited 90,000 point bonus that was just a few months ago. And let me tell you, it is incredibly difficult to spend $6,000 in 3 months, but I'm gonna do it. If you guys are not familiar, there was an elevated promotion going on for the Chase Inc. cards. They were at 90,000 Ultimate Rewards points if you spend $6,000 in 3 months, and I do believe they're only at 75,000 miles now, but I did take advantage of this opportunity since I have a business and I wanna try to earn a ton of Ultimate Rewards points. Like I said, I'm right in the middle of that spending period and it is incredibly difficult to control my spending. I don't wanna have to go out of my way to spend because that defeats the entire purpose. And while I do find myself occasionally getting the extra Shake Shack order, I'm really doing pretty well with not spending extra and knowing that if I don't hit that $6,000, it's not a big deal. I have a backup plan. So while I am getting this card for business purposes, I really am only getting it for the sign-up bonus. I do have a plan for what I'm gonna use the card for after. I'll go and use it for my regular business purchases. So I'm only gonna be getting 1.5% back with this card, but let me tell you that 15 to 20% back calculated return on spend is gonna be insanely good, knowing that I'm gonna be getting this huge bonus at the end of the spending period. Well, like I said, this is kind of a lot more than my normal spending, so how do I spend $2,000 a month? Well, let me tell you, it's gonna be a lot of Amazon gift cards at the end of this period. I am moving eventually and you can save up a bunch of Amazon points. Well, I guess they're not points, it actually is cash, but saving up a bunch of Amazon cash to then use for later purposes. I do plan on using all those Amazon gift cards by the end of this year. So it's not necessarily a big issue for like depreciation or having thousands of dollars of Amazon points, guys. It's only gonna be like 1,000. Maybe 1,500, not more than that. If you think this strategy is awesome, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to help you guys out and let's keep going to the next card. The Amex Gold is an excellent workhorse credit card that you're gonna be earning a ton of points when you use it for food and dining. It's gonna be great. Right now, the current public offer is 60,000 membership rewards points, but when I go ahead and apply for this card at the end of this Inc. bonus in June, I really want to be looking for 75,000 or even 90,000. The best part about this sign-up bonus is that I'll only need to spend $4,000 in 6 months. That way I can finally relax knowing that I'm only spending $667 a month instead of the other crazy $2,000 a month ink sign-up bonus. It's gonna be way easier to hit this bonus. This will be a much needed break from having to spend on this Chase ink. Like I said, I do want to get this elevated offer sometime in June. My ink sign-up bonus ends on June 11th, so maybe I'll get it right after that. All this might sound crazy. I want to let you guys know that applying for all these credit cards is not as scary as it sounds. You're going to be taking hard inquiries, and if you can hit that spending bonus with just your regular requirements, it's not going to be as scary as you think, and anyone can do this. I want to show you guys that it's pretty simple and pretty easy, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it, and I'm gonna document this entire process. So I'm getting 4 sign-up bonuses, $18,000 of spending, and a lot of credit cards. I think I'll be able to get positive value out of this, and follow along if you want to find out. Now that I've got the Amex Gold covered, it's time to get the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So we're gonna have a problem when I get this credit card. I'm gonna be at 524 without my Chase trifecta. That means, yeah guys, right, I'm locked out of Chase and I'm at 524. That's gonna be a problem. If you're not entirely sure, Chase 524 rule basically states you can only get 5 credit cards open in the last 24 months, right? So that makes sense. I have like 4 cards open, 5 cards soon in the last 24 months. So basically what I'm saying is I'm gonna be at 524 during that time. That means I'm locked out of the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which I don't have. So the 48-month rule with Chase basically states you can only get Sapphire bonuses every 48 months. That's 4 years, guys. Since I got the bonus in August 2019, I'm gonna have to wait all the way until August 2023 to go ahead and apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. I really wish I could jump on this elevated offer at 80,000 points, maybe even 90,000 points if you do the in-branch offer. But unfortunately, I'm gonna have to wait as I'm still locked out of that 48-month rule with Chase. What do you guys think? You think it's gonna stay at 80,000 points all the way till like November when I go ahead and apply? I don't think so. I guess maybe in the meantime, I'll just have to wait and see if there's any other bonuses that are better, and maybe I can go ahead and apply if it looks good, but I might be ending up taking the 60,000 point bonus when I sign up in the later of this year for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This will put me at 524 all the way until December 2024, guys. That's right, I'm going hard for applying for cards this year, and I got the Venture X in December 2022, so I'm really gonna be locked out of Chase for a full year. Surprise, I got another bonus, and let me tell you, it's pretty interesting. I'm currently looking for a new checking account, maybe the SoFi account. I like my BECU checking account with my credit union, but unfortunately, every time my grandma gives me like $50, I don't want to spend it. And I just want to put it into my debit account so then I can use my credit cards and pay them off. Since I'm going to be spending $18,000 on credit card bonuses this year, don't think I'm going to get another credit card. That would be insane. Unfortunately, where I live, it's really hard to use a credit union from a different state, and I'm trying to find a better bank. So if anyone has experience with this, let me know. I'm also looking for a good APY or some sort of good interest rate. What I've found so far is the SoFi checking account. They have a $250 bonus, and I think it's a great account. You get a 4.0% APY, which is pretty dang good. I also know Apple just released their high interest savings account. Maybe they release a checking account, and I will definitely have to check that out if they do. I don't know if they would, and let's get it straight, they're probably not gonna get a bonus on that anyway. So there's so many bonuses out there. I don't know which one I'm gonna go for at each specific time, but if you guys wanna follow along, watch what I do, check out my subscribe button. It's right there, it's in red, I think, or maybe gray. It's just too hard to pass up all these offers. I really wish I could get like the Chase Sapphire Preferred bonus now, but I can't. So we're just gonna wait and see, but this is the best estimate of bonuses I think are super great right now and what the ones that I really wanna get. It is really hard to figure out in 8 months what I'll end up doing, since I made a video 2 months ago saying I was gonna get the Amazon Prime card, and now I don't think I'm gonna get it. It's just not worth it. If you made it this far, you're an OG. Here we go, we're trying to grow the channel, so appreciate you guys for watching, and that's right, have a good one. Bye.